Alan started with Amford Football Club as Secretary and Safeguarding Officer and smoothly transitioned as the club's treasurer. This meant keeping 50 volunteers and team managers in check to achieve the West Wales Platinum Accreditation Award. He ensured the club's financial future was maintained by raising funds for the club during challenging times to ensure the club could support over 350 members by doing sponsored runs, food bank collections and many more. Alan is a very dedicated and passionate member of the team. Without him, the club would struggle.
Mae Manon wedi bod yn aelod ffyddlon o Gwobrau Caerfyrddin ers sawl blwyddyn fel rhwyfwr o safon uchel ac yn gwirfoddoli o leiaf 8 awr yr wythnos. Yn ystod y coronavirus, aeth Manon y filltir ychwanegol i sicrhau y gallai'r clwb rhwyfo barhau pan oedd hynny'n bosibl, a llwyddodd i ddenu dros 40 aelod newydd i'r clwb dros y flwyddyn. Mae Manon yn troi llaw at unrhyw peth i'r clwb, o gynnal sesiynau i rôl swyddog digwyddiadau a swyddog cynhwysiant y clwb.
Geraint is Vice Chair and Team Manager of Chwaraeon Football Club. Geraint has coached the children for the past 8 years from under 6 to under 14s. During COVID, Geraint organised Zoom fitness sessions for players to learn new skills and techniques to prepare them for when football started up again. Geraint secured sponsorship from local businesses for the players to have new kit, so no one was left out during the tough times. He does not just volunteer for Chwaraeon Football Club, but also the under-14s Carmarthenshire school football squad. Geraint's the first on the pitch and the last one to leave each week.